polynomial. I forgot to record it. So zero of the zero polynomial degree 0 Pranami. So we'll start the first exercise, 2.1 exercise. And so read the first question, Pranami, or shall I read it?
Sir, can you read?
Okay, Pranami. So which of the following expressions are polynomials in one variable and which are not? State reasons for your answer. So Pranami, here first question, if it is a polynomial also, one variable only they want us to tell. If the expression is a polynomial also, one variable one only, they want us to mark. So first one, if you observe Pranavi, first one, we can see all the three terms, variable power is positive only. Okay. All the three terms variable power is, if you want, we can add beside 7x power 0, no Pranavi? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So because of that reason, means 0 is not positive neither negative, but still 0 is, if it is 0 is not a problem. So if you observe the powers of variable x, all of them are positive and like we don't have any negative rational. So that's why first one is S. It's a polynomial in one variable. Okay, Pranavi?
Yes, sir.
Then which are not? First one is S. Second one is also S only, because the reason is we have variable power y power 2 which is positive, and root 2 beside x power 0 you can write it also, not a problem. So okay, Pranavi?
Yes, sir.
So it's one variable only, that's why. Then third one, according to you, if it is it S or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, why Pranavi?
Sir, because both are the same variable.
One variable only is Pranavi.
Yes.
Now we should write that up. What are the conditions, Pranavi? So algebraic expression to become a polynomial. So the power of the variable should be always a whole number.
Yeah.
So here if you observe Pranavi, root t is there. Root t means t power 1 by 2. Unless the t value is known particularly, we cannot tell this, because the reason is t power 1 by 2, we have a power as a fraction for the variable.
Oh,
Even though other t has power 1 only, one more t has power 1 by 2.
okay, sir. So it's not a polynomial.
Yes, yes, Pranavi. So because of the fractional power for the variable, not a, even though one variable is there, it's first thing not a polynomial. Because the main heading, which of the following are polynomials? First thing is polynomial, then in one variable we need to check. So first this, but this particular algebraic expression is not a polynomial. So even though it has one, because we already read the conditions of the polynomial variable power. Then fourth one also, even the first term y power 1 will be, second term we can write this as 2y power minus 1.
So what?
Means first term has y power 1 only, and it has one entire question has one variable y only.
Yes.
No? But 2 by y means what actually? 2
Um,
into y power minus 1.
yes, sir. So it's not a polynomial.
Yes, Pranay. So variable power cannot be negative also. It cannot be negative rational numbers. Negative rational numbers. So not a polynomial
Yes, sir.
because of the negative power for the variable. Now, fifth one, Pranavi, it is actually polynomial only, but because variable powers everywhere positive only are there, like x power 10, x y power 3, t power 50. Variable powers are all positive only, but
It's not one
it
variable.
has S Pranavi. So polynomial in, not a polynomial in one variable, but in three variables. So any doubt, Pranavi?
No, sir.
Okay. So now second question, Pranavi, if we observe the coefficient, write the coefficients of x square in each of the following. A bit. So x square coefficient, Pranavi, if you observe x square before plus 1 is there, you can imagine plus 1. Any doubt, Pranavi?
No, sir.
So second one, if we observe, Pranavi, 2 minus x square plus x cube. X square is multiplied with minus. X square is multiplied with minus. So coefficient of so any doubt, Pranavi, minus 1?
No, sir.
Then pi by 2 x square plus 1 plus x. Coefficient of x square is actually pi by 2.
Pi by 2.
Yes, that is. And in the fourth one, actually, we don't have any x square term. So we can write it if we want 0 x square. 0 x square plus root 2x minus 1. But we should not write root 2. Nehal. X square term is not there. So we can add x square term by writing 0 x square.
Yes, sir.
So coefficient is 0. Coefficient of x square is 0. Any doubt?
No, sir. I understood.
We'll go to the third question.
Okay, sir.
Third question is third one. Give one example each of the binomial of degree 35. Like I said to me here, binomial two terms only they're asking us. Binomial means two terms actually, two terms only in the polynomial. So one example each binomial of degree 35 means and a monomial of degree 100. Binomial of degree 35 is equal to 5x power 35 plus 2x. So clearly we wrote two terms, Pranavi, with the highest degree of the variable 35. Two terms means binomial. Variable power 35 kept, so it's a degree of 35. Binomial with degree of 35.
Yes, sir.
Binomial of degree 35. Yes. And next one, monomial of degree 100. Monomial of degree 100.
3x power 100.
Is Pranavi, that is. So 3x power 100 means it is simply one term and variable power is 100. So that's why it is monomial of degree. Correct. Highest degree is 100. So then fourth one, write the degree of each of the following polynomials. So we have to check the highest power of the variable present. Pranami?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
The
Pranami. So
first
5x
degree is
cube,
3.
3 Pranami. Correct. So highest power of the variable is 3.
The second one is 2.
Yes, Pranami.
Third one is 1.
5t minus root 7 means degrees 1. This is 3 power. And fourth one is there is no variable
0.
in beside. So we can write it's a constant polynomial. So we can write x power 0 there and write degree as degree of a constant polynomial. We can write y power 0 or z power 0. Shall I go to the fourth question?
So this was the fourth question, right?
Yes.
So can you just give me 1 minute? I need to get my water bottle.
Okay. So Pranavi, in the fifth question, classify the polynomials as classify the following as linear, quadratic, and cubic polynomials. So if you observe Pranavi, x square plus x first one, it has highest power of the variable is 1, means degree. Simply total degree is highest. How much Pranavi degree is for the first one?
Uh, 2.
Yes, Pranavi. So it is a quadratic polynomial.
Yes, sir.
Then second one Pranavi, x minus x cube. So degree is how much Pranavi?
3.
Yes, Pranavi. So it is
Cubic.
polynomial. Then y plus y square plus 4. Degree is how much Pranavi?
2. So it's
Yes,
quadratic again.
yes, that is correct. Then fourth one Pranavi, 1 plus x. So degree is how much Pranavi? So we have variable x Pranavi here.
Sir, what?
We have variable x in the polynomial Pranavi. So degree is how much?
1.
That is,
So it's a
yes,
linear polynomial.
yes, degree is from a linear polynomial. Then fifth one, 3t. Again, it is degree variable power is 1. Degree is how much Pranavi? T power nothing means 1 more. So 1, it is again
So linear polynomial.
6th one, r square. So degree is how much Pranavi?
Degree is 2.
Yes, Pranavi. So it is degree is to equal quadratic polynomial.
Quadratic polynomial.
Yes, Pranavi, that is correct. Then finally, fifth one is 7th bit. 7th 7th bit. 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 7 It is 7x cube. So degree is
Degree is 3.
is so because of that reason it is
Cubic polynomial.
So with this first exercise is finished 2.1. So I think before we have few examples also easy ones. Example one, if you observe, we find the degree of each of the polynomials. Here, if you observe, the highest power of the variable is 5. So degree is 5 for this. For this polynomial, highest power of the variable in all the terms y power 8. So degree is. And here this is a constant polynomial. There is no variable. So 2 power member
X.
power.
Alright.
Yes, we can write 2x power 0. So degree is equal to 0. Because in a hurry, we should not write 2 power. That is one as a degree, we should not write. Because 2 variable power only we should write degree.
Yes.
So there is no variable. We said we can write x power 0 and we can write which means 1 1 2 1 2. So x power 0. So degree of a constant polynomial is and degree of a 0 polynomial is not. So here one more thing, Pranvi, degree of a constant polynomial means it is a non-constant polynomial. That is one more thing we should. Non-constant means what? Constant polynomial, if 0 is only there. Okay, Pranvi?
Yes, sir.
Then if it is 0, again it cannot be considered because the reason is in that case we cannot call it as a constant polynomial. 0 polynomial only it will be. Means a constant polynomial means other than 0 anything it can. Means the number should be other than 0 anything. Because if the number itself is 0, if you write x power 1000 here also, this will still come under 0 polynomial, but not a constant polynomial.
Sir.
Okay. So constant polynomial means it should be a non-zero constant. That's why here I just collected it. Degree of a non-zero constant polynomial. It's non-zero. Why? Because if 0 is there as a constant, it will become a 0 polynomial, but not a constant polynomial.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, we're gonna start the exercise next class.
Yes, a small introduction of zeros we will check.